Welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about phrasing over this Baião ostinato using groups of 3. So we explored everything, or almost, we can do within 4 16th notes. But there is not only 4 16th notes that exist in rhythm. We can find rhythms based on 3 16th notes, on 5 16th notes, 7, 6, 9. And that's what we are going to explore now. Same thing, make sure you're really comfortable with what we just saw before diving into this next step. So, 3 16th note rhythm. It's like 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. This kind of rhythm. Or 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. Where we play also the third 16th notes with the first. We want to get back to our 16th note flow. And this time, we will accentuate every 3 16th notes. So, as it's groups of 3 here versus groups of 4 on the fifth ostinato, it takes 3 times my ostinato to get over the cycle of accent here. Like, here it's the same principle. You have to get very slow and to figure out what's happening with the strokes. Where do they fall with the kick, with the hi-hat, or not? If I play it very slow, it's like this. And if you don't want to have to start over each time you do a mistake, you can also see it like this. You play one ostinato on the feet, and on this first ostinato you're gonna start with the first 16th note like this. That's the first step. The next step is to start the ostinato and to start on the second 16th note like this. That's the rest of the cycle. And then the third part of the cycle is to start your ostinato and start the accent on the third 16th note. Like this. So you can break it in 3 parts. The first part you want to start on the first 16th note. The second part is gonna start on the second 16th. And the third part starts on the third. So the whole loop is like this. Slower. Now, next step, getting rid of the ghost notes, only leaving the accents. You can also try out different stickings and leave your ghost notes on the left hand and play the accents only with the right hand. That's very convenient when you will be trying out different orchestrations on the toms or on the cymbals, like this. Now that was only one accent. We can try out two accents as well, like ta-tat, 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 ta-tat. Same principle, gonna get rid of the ghost notes and leave only the accents. You can also have fun around the kit, of course, and try different stickings. So you see, playing a different group of notes or a different rhythm that is not based on the same group of notes than your main beat on the feet ostinato creates little, shifting like this, and it creates very interesting results and interesting rhythms.